This video is going to show how to replace the battery on a 2018 Honda Odyssey. And this is a One Auto Depot from Amazon. First thing is to open the hood. Now we got to remove this cover on the front. It's got 8 snaps holding it in. There goes one. Two. Oh, that's scary. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it was stuck on this part. Here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're all on the very corners. Next, we got to remove this air intake cover. These 2.
You didn't actually have to remove these 2 that are closest to the front of the car.
Right, this one's just spinning. There it goes. Then you got to pull out these. There's like clips here, I think. I have to kind of pull out. Oh, they just come by themselves. Oh, I didn't have to take this part off, maybe. Just this. And this whole thing just kind of comes out. Just wiggle it out. I didn't even have to take these clips out, but I could have. Okay, next we gotta take off this cover and this brace that's holding the whole thing down. It's got these long threaded rods that have a hook at the bottom that goes through that little hole there. So we just have to loosen that and we can get the hook out. These are 10 millimeter. You can kind of push it down and just do it with your fingers after it gets a little loose. You don't have to take it all the way off, I'm guessing, to get this bolt out of there. There we go, got it. Let's see if that is enough to take off. Oh, yeah, I got both of those now. Guessing I have to take off the electrical connections before I can take off this cover. So it's the same 10 millimeter on this guy. Ratchet or wrench. Just kind of wiggle it around, I think. There we go. There we go. Now I'll undo the positive.
The reason you undo the negative first is so that you don't accidentally short between the positive terminal and some piece of the chassis while you're undoing the positive.
Pull this guy off. There we go. So this feels really tight. There's like not room to. This doesn't. Oh, okay. Pull it a little, it comes off this way. Let's see if I can get this cover off. Oh, that's the whole battery. Maybe there's not actually a cover here because it looks like I might be able to just pull the whole thing out. Oh, nope, that's attached to something. I'm not sure if there's like clips there holding this on or what. Pretty sure that's a cover for a battery. And this wire seems to be like attached to it. Okay, I think this top is just supposed to come off. It seems to be bringing my whole battery with it. Okay, all the videos I've seen have this top just coming right off. But Mine seems to be attached to the battery. Okay, I'm getting desperate here. Try to pry something in there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, why is that stuck? I don't know. Okay, now that I've got it started, maybe I can get the rest with my hands. Yeah, that is just, that was kind of stuck in there. What am I gonna find in here? I did see some squirrel activity over and underneath the engine cover. Go. Put you back. Okay, there we go. So there this is, which is it's really on there. Now we just pull the old battery out. There we go. That's what that looks like in there. I'll vacuum that out. And put the new one in. Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go. Whew. Put the cover back on. My positive cable really doesn't have any forgiveness. I have to like tilt the whole thing to get the cover on, maybe. Pull it down this way. There we go. Okay, you can like tilt it to the side like that. Yes. Okay. Tilt the whole case to the side to get it in, maybe. Yes. Oh, almost. Yes. All right, we're in. Now, before I go further, I'm going to attach everything and make sure this works. I think you do the positive first and then the negative always. So get this guy on there. And then the negative. Oops. Stay there. There we go. I should probably push that positive one down a little more. I heard something in the car turn on when I did that, so that's a good sign. Alright, those are on. Let's make sure the car starts before we do anything else. Oh, yes. Alright, now we'll finish it up. And we'll get this clamp back on. There's that side. And then get this one over here. There we go. And I can tighten it up. sure how tight to make this guy. There we go. Now I just have to put the air intake cover back on. Okay. Push these guys in. Oops. Makes bad sounds, but I think I'm okay. That's a crazy looking thing. There we go. Put my screws in. I never had to take those out, actually. Feels like they just keep spinning. Oh, it's because the Expando plastic thing can just spin in the hole too, so I guess there's no... Last thing is this front cover. Just so you can see where this goes in. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. So I'm going to pull this out so I could get this lever cleared. Okay, so you got to get this lever in first. Lift that up before you put this on, otherwise you pin it down. Okay. Round 2. All right, all 8. We are done.